How to disable lock screen password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable lock screen password on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just type here password and click lock screen password, and here we'll find the password settings. Now all you need to do, just you need to find this one, disable lock screen password. Click on it and then just click disable, and here all you need to do is just type your password and it will be done, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to disable your lock screen password on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.